Hi, I'm Tova.
Chris.
And we're Chris and Tova's Amazing Adventures, and we are getting ready for a pretty big adventure, driving from Canada to Nicaragua. But first, we need to install our rooftop tent on our Ford Escape. So today we're attempting to install our hardshell rooftop tent. It's an Alpha 2, so we'll see how that goes. Step number 1 is unboxing your tent. Our tent is the Tuff Stuff Overland Alpha 2, and it weighs approximately 150 pounds. The Alpha 2 is a little bit smaller than the regular Alpha. The difference is a queen-size mattress instead of a king.
There really is not very many small pieces to the tent. You'll have 2 sets of keys, 8 nuts. The bolts come pre-installed on the rails under the tent. 4 mounting brackets.
We decided to open the tent on the ground prior to installing it on the roof. We highly recommend doing this. You will need to fully tighten down all of the nuts before you can open the tent on the roof. If there's any defects or issues with the tent, finding this out when you're on the ground will be much easier. The tent seems very roomy and comfortable.
As you can see, it's really easy to open and close. We had no issues the first time, and I'm sure it'll be even easier and faster with a little bit of practice.
Luckily, our tent had no issues, so we folded it back up and were ready to install. And just like that, it's on the roof. Kidding. Myself, Chris, and 2 of our neighbors gave us a hand lifting it onto the roof. It was very easy to lift the 150-pound tent with 4 people. 2 people would have been a bit tricky.
Once on the roof, use a measuring tape to ensure your tent is centered, left to right, front to back.
Now it's time to put the brackets on the pre-existing bolts. Ensure that one bolt is on either side of your roof rack crossbars. Slide the bracket onto the bolts, add the nuts, and start tightening. And tightening and tightening. You might start to hate your life a little bit. The bolts are long, and with 2 bolts per bracket, 4 brackets in total, you have 8 nuts to tighten. Thank you, Chris. Place a piece of cardboard or a towel underneath the bracket you're tightening, just in case the wrench slips. You don't want to chip the paint on your roof.
Once all 8 nuts are tightened, go back and double check the tightness of each one. It is also a good idea to recheck that the nuts are tight after you've driven around for a day or 2, and then recheck periodically. As easy as that, the tent is installed. Check back to our channel soon to see the grand opening and full tent tour. See you on the next amazing adventure.